Welcome to Engine Explorer, where horsepower meets high living. Today we're stepping inside something so extreme, it blurs the line between semi-truck and superyacht. This is the 2026 Volvo FH16 Double-Floor Motorhome. And trust me, and it's not just an RV, it's a rolling 5-star luxury apartment. At first glance, the FH16 still carries Volvo's iconic look, sleek Scandinavian design, aerodynamic front, and that bold grille. But behind the cab, that's where this beast transforms. The trailer isn't just oversized, it's 2 full levels of engineering genius and pure luxury. Let's start with the exterior. The entire rig stretches over 70 feet, long and rises, tall with an extended roofline. You've got custom expandable walls, a fold-out balcony, and even a smart awning system that deploys with a single tap. The matte metallic finish with chrome trim gives it that executive class feel. And of course, massive 24-inch alloy wheels complete the look. But we're only getting started. As we enter the first floor, you're welcomed into a living space that feels more like a luxury suite than anything you'd expect inside a truck. Plush leather seating, hardwood floors, ambient LED lighting, and even a fireplace-style heater. There's a full chef's kitchen with induction cooktop, convection oven, a built-in coffee bar, and a fridge that's smarter than your phone. The bathroom on this level, full-size shower with a rainfall head, touch mirror with anti-fog, and even underfloor heating. In the rear, a cozy guest bedroom folds out with a Murphy bed and hidden storage all around. Now let's go upstairs. Yes, there's a staircase inside this Volvo, and it leads to the real showstopper. The second floor is your private sky lounge, a massive master suite with a king-size bed, curved panoramic windows, automatic blinds, and starlight ceiling. There's a walk-in closet, smart vanity, and even a spa-inspired bathroom with a jacuzzi tub and TV built into the mirror. Across the hall, a home cinema room, 7.2 surround sound, reclining theater chairs, acoustic panels, and a hidden mini-fridge stocked for movie night. This entire floor is climate-controlled, sound-insulated, and wrapped in luxury materials like suede, marble, and brushed metal. Powering all this? A hybrid energy system with roof-mounted solar panels, lithium battery banks, and a backup generator. It's off-grid ready, controlled entirely via tablet or your smartphone. Lighting, AC, water levels, security, even slide-outs. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It says you don't need to sacrifice luxury to explore the world. Whether you're parked by the beach, in the mountains, or on a private estate, this Volvo FH16 motorhome makes every destination feel like home. So if you've ever dreamed of traveling without limits, but with zero compromise on comfort, this double-floor Volvo may just be your dream come true. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Hit that like button if you're blown away.